हाय पेरेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे टॉप 5 ब्रेन फूड्स जो आपके बच्चे को रोज कंज्यूम करना है फॉर देयर ऑप्टिमल ब्रेन पावर। एंड बहुत बार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा बच्चा स्ट्रगल कर रहा है विद मेमोरी, विद फोकस, एनर्जी क्रैश आ रहा है सडनली, टैंट्रम्स इतने ज्यादा आ रहे हैं। सोल्यूशन इसका अनदर एक्टिविटी क्लास नहीं है, सोल्यूशन इसका बच्चे को डांटना नहीं है, सोल्यूशन इसका बहुत सारी बार वो बच्चा क्या खा रहा है उस पे है। बिकॉज जो इनपुट जाएगा वैसा ही प्रोसेसिंग होगा और वैसा ही आउटपुट आएगा। सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हमारा इनपुट बहुत स्ट्रांग है। बच्चे को हम क्या खाना दे रहे हैं ऑन डेली बेसिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बच्चे का ब्रेन सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी यूज करता है मोर देन एनी अदर ऑर्गन इन द बॉडी। सो ऐसे कौन से 5 सुपर फूड्स है जो मेरे बच्चे का लर्निंग, अटेंशन, फोकस, मेमोरी ये सबको सपोर्ट करता है? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड। नंबर 1 पे वी विल कीप एग्स बिकॉज these are nature's best brain foods. Eggs में एक nutrient है the choline which supports their learning and memory the best. So a simple breakfast with eggs can really support your child's brain growth. If you are a pure vegetarian and you don't eat eggs, then always think of eggs के बदले सुबह में बच्चों को nuts and seeds दे. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds. Most important. And trust me, every morning I eat all 4 of this and I make sure that my kids also eat all 4 of these. ये foods बहुत rich है in healthy fats जो मेरे बच्चे का brain function support करते हैं. And earlier you give this, it's better, but just make sure उनका choking guidelines के हिसाब से age appropriate wise देना. If they are very young, you can maybe grind them, crush them and make laddus of them and give them. And if they are old enough that they can eat and chew, you can just give them as it is, soaked, overnight soaked, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds and flax seeds ऐसे ही खा सकते हैं. So number 1 is eggs or nuts and seeds. Number 2 I would say is berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries or even seasonal local berries जो हमारे मार्केट में मिलता है इंडियन वेदर के हिसाब से। हमारा लोकल, सीजनल, रीजनल जो है वैसे बेरीज हम बच्चों को दे सकते हैं बिकॉज दे हेल्प प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रेन सेल्स एंड सपोर्ट द मेमोरी। सो बेरीज को ना आपको ब्रेन प्रोटेक्शन फूड के हिसाब से देखना है। दे रियली वर्क वंडर्स ऑन द चाइल्ड्स ब्रेन एंड इवन योर ब्रेन। तो ये सारा जो मैं लिस्ट दे रही हूँ इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर चिल्ड्रन, इट्स फॉर यू एज वेल बिकॉज every single day I eat all of this. Number 3 I would say is green leafy vegetables, methi, palak and other iron rich foods like jaggery, dates, pomegranate, because iron deficiency is one of the most common, most overlooked deficiencies जो हम सब में होती है and हमें उसको cover करना है through our daily diet intake. So make sure my bacha is eating enough green leafy vegetables and enough iron rich food like dates, jaggery, pomegranate, जिससे मेरा iron content in my body is stabilized. Next I would say is dahi or chash because you know now scientists literally gut को second brain बोलते हैं. So if your gut is healthy, your brain is healthy. Can you imagine? Because a healthy gut supports immunity, digestion and even concentration. And curd makes sure that we have enough good bacteria in our gut to support our healthy gut health. Number 5, I would say the whole grains. Whole grains, like lastly, I would say whole grains, sweet potato, oats. ये सारे foods, the prefrontal cortex, this part of the brain, which is responsible for self-regulation, decision making, ये सब के लिए बहुत important है. So complex carbs are very important for my overall energy in my daytime and to make sure that I don't have a meltdown because there's enough energy in my body because of these complex carbs that I've eaten. Also, let me tell you, सिर्फ एक अच्छा मील खाने से मेरा ब्रेन डेवलप नहीं हो जाने वाला है. It is built meal by meal, habit by habit. And सिर्फ हेल्दी खाने से कुछ नहीं होता. I need enough hydration, I need enough movement, I need enough mental stimulation like good reading, puzzles, connection throughout the day. This is what is going to keep my brain healthy. So these are the list of 5 superfoods that support your child brain development. Let me know in the comments which superfood do you give your child every single day and let me know if you need any help or please comment if you have any problem related to your child's food habits and I'll personally get back to you on this. And every week I come up with amazing content on child brain science, child psychology and how to grow your child's brain in the best possible environment. This is Shweta Merchant Gandhi. Please do like, share, subscribe and share this to any parent who is raising a child to be a genius. This little tip might help them. Thank you very much.